In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your search bar is now working on Windows 11. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, if I go ahead to my search bar and type in anything, you can see that my search bar is actually working. So let's try. So in my case, my search bar is working and I can access task settings by just going ahead and typing in task settings in the search menu. But your search bar is now working. So in order to access the task manager, all you need to do is to click on Control plus Shift plus Escape button all at the same time. And the task manager will open up for you just like you see here. Just go ahead, click on Services, then click on these 3 points at the top right. And then click on Open Services, and you have to look for Windows Search. So go ahead, click on 1 and type in W. Now go ahead, scroll down until you find Windows Search. Go ahead, right-click on Edge, and then click on Properties. And then after that, just go ahead, click on Stop, and click on this as well. Then click on Disabled. After that, click on Apply, and then OK. In my case, I am now going to do it because my search tab is already working. So after you do this, just go ahead, try to restart your computer. Just go to the search menu, then click on Restart. Now after your computer starts, just go ahead, hit the Control key plus Shift plus Escape, then go ahead, Access Services. Then go to the top right, click on these 3 points again, click on Open Services. Then after that, click on one of these, type in W, then right-click on Windows Search. As you can see, then click on Properties and reactivate this to Automatic, as you can see. Then click on Apply and OK. So by now, your search tab must be working. As always, thank you for watching.